Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, let us discuss one question of NPO where cricket club is involved. Here we are required to focus on particularly adjustment of subscription. Let us read question. Following is the accounting information for the year 2009-2010 of cricket club. This is current year. You are required to prepare income and expenditure account as on 31st March 2010 and balance sheet as on that date. Balance sheet as on 1st April 2009. This is opening. Capital fund will be recorded in closing balance sheet as opening balance 67,100. Building fund liabilities, bank overdraft liabilities. On asset side we have land, sports material, cash in hand. This is opening balance of cash. It is not recorded in final accounts. Outstanding subscription 2007, 2008, 1800, 2008, 2009, 2500. These are outstanding for the previous years, 4300. Let us go through receipts and payment account. Here opening balance of cash 2200 is appearing here. This will not be recorded anywhere in final accounts. Subscription received. Outstanding subscription for 2007-2008, it was 1800. That has been received here during current year. This will not be recorded as income of current year. It was outstanding of previous year 2007-2008. It has been received now. For 2008-2009, 2500 was outstanding. That is also received now. So last two previous years, outstanding subscriptions are received during current year. It will not be recorded as income of current year because those are already recorded as income of that previous year. For the year 2009-10, we have received subscription 65,500. This will be recorded as income of current year. Next, donations. Here we have adjustment relating to donations. Donations are received for building fund. So these are not general donations. The donation for specific purpose. So it will be added to building fund on liability side. Entertainment receipts. This will be recorded as income. Entrance fees received 2000. Here adjustment number 2 says entrance fees are to be capitalized. Therefore this amount will be added to capital fund. Let us go through now payments. Here we have bank overdraft 37,400. On payment side, first item we have bank overdraft repaid. So this bank overdraft 37,400 is paid now. This we can record the fact on liability side. Next we have salaries. It will be recorded as expenditure. Electricity charges, expenditure. Rent and taxes, expenditure. Printing and stationery, expenditure. Entertainment expenses, expenditure. On 31st March, we have closing balance, cash in hand 3,000, cash at bank 10,000. Both these items will be recorded in closing balance sheet on asset side. Adjustment, first already we have discussed. Second also we have completed. Third adjustment says outstanding subscription 1500. That is for the current year One effect, it will be recorded on asset side. Second, it will be added to income side to current year subscription received. Depreciate sports materials 12.5%. One effect, expenditure. Second effect, less from assets. Let us start with opening balance sheet. Liability side. First item we have capital fund 67,100. This will be recorded in new balance sheet on liability side. Liability side we have capital fund 67,100. Next we have building fund 54,000. This will be recorded on liability side. Next we have bank overdraft 37,400. Liability side bank overdraft 37,400. Let us consider items of asset side. First we have land 1,20,000. Asset side we have land 1,20,000. Sports material 32,000. Asset side sports material 32,000. Cash in hand. This is opening cash balance. This will not be recorded anywhere in final accounts. Outstanding subscription for last 2 years. This amount receivable is recorded on asset side for 2007-8, 1,800, 2008-9, 2,500. Let us go through now items of receipts and payment account. Let us start with receipt side. To balance brought down 2,200. This is opening balance of cash. This will not be recorded anywhere in final accounts. Subscription received for 2007-2008, 1,800. Here on asset side we have shown here that subscription is receivable 1,800. Less received 1,800. So now this item won't be there in our balance sheet. Subscription received for 2008, 2009, 2,500. Less received 2,500. So this item won't appear now in new balance sheet. Subscription received for 2009, 2010, 65,500. This will be recorded as income by subscription for the year 2009, 2010. Received 65,500. Next we have donations received 11,000. Adjustment says donations are received for building fund. Amount is 11,000. This will be added to building fund on liability side. This is special donation for building. Therefore, it is added here to building fund and not recorded as income. If it is a general donation, it can be recorded as income. Next, we have entertainment received 8,800. It will be recorded as income. Entertainment receipts 8,800. Next, we have entrance fees 2,000 received. Adjustment says entrance fees are to be capitalized. So we are required to add this 2,000 to capital fund. So to the amount of capital fund, we have added entrance fees 2,000. Let us go through now payments. Bank overdraft repaid 37,400. On liability side, we have bank overdraft 37,400. Less this is paid 37,400. Now there will not be bank overdraft on liability side. Salaries expenditure 25,600. So here on expenditure side we have salaries 25,600. Electricity charges 2,250. This will be recorded as expenditure. Electricity charges 2250. Rent and taxes 1,750. This will be recorded as expenditure. Expenditure to rent and taxes 1750. Printing and stationery 5100. Expenditures to printing and stationery 5100. Entertainment expenses 8700. Expenditure to entertainment expenses 8700. Next we have closing balance of cash 3000, bank 10,000. This will be recorded as asset. Asset side cash in hand 3000. Asset side cash at bank 10,000. Let us go through the adjustments now. Donations received for building fund. Already we have given effect to this. Entrance fees to be capitalized. We have already given effect to this. Outstanding subscription 1500. One effect. Asset side. Outstanding subscription for 2009-10 amount is 1500. Second effect. Income and expenditure account credit side. Add outstanding 1500. So now it is total 67,000. Depreciate sports material 12.5%. Sports material are 32,000. Twelve and a half percent is 4,000. So now sports material net value is 28,000. To depreciation on sports materials, amount is 4,000. We have recorded all adjustments. Now we can close income and expenditure account and balance sheet. We have closed income and expenditure account. We got balancing figure on debit side 28,400. This is excess of income over expenditure, that is surplus. This will be added to capital fund on liability side. We have added surplus to capital fund. It has become 97,500. We have taken now total of assets. It is 1,62,500, which is equal to total of liability side 1,62,500. It means our balance sheet is tallying. In this question, we learn how to complete final accounts of NPO in case of cricket club. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Ekeeda. Subscribe to our channel Ekeeda. Thank you.